So today's session, we are going to be practicing the Surya Namaskara with the mantras. I would like to start with the prayers, saluting the Guru Parampara. So this is a composition by Acharya T. Krishnamacharya, whose tradition I am from. So just close your eyes. Let's take a moment to salute the Guru Parampara. Om गुरुभ्यस्तद्गुरुभ्यश्च नमो वाकमधीमहे वृणीमहे च तत्राद्यौ दम्पती जगतां पति श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः. The second shloka that I would like to chant is a Dhyana shloka on Surya, which basically describes his beautiful form. So I'll just chant this one and then we'll continue. Om Dhyeyah sada savitramandala madhyavarti Narayana sarasijasana sannivishtaha केयूरवान् मकरकुण्डलवान् किरीटी हारी हिरण्मयवपधृतशङ्खचक्रः. ॐ So friends, today we are going to be practicing the Surya Namaskara. As most of you know, Namaskara basically means salutation. So the words Namaskaram, Namaskara, Namaste, Namo Namaha, all of these come from the same root, which basically means to salute. So most people who are familiar, who practice yoga are at least familiar with some version of the Surya Namaskara. There are different traditions that, have a little bit of a difference in terms of the which postures they add. But most of them have, the series that Kavya is going to demonstrate today. So it's a series of 12 flowing postures. It is traditionally practiced with mantra. Mantra can deepen the practice greatly because it makes it very meditative, as Shivani said. And it's a beautiful practice to honor the life-giving energy of the sun. And the sun is a very predominant deity in the Vedas, and the sun is the presiding deity of the heavens. And what makes it so beautiful is that the sun is a pratyaksha devata, is a deity that we can behold each and every day of our lives. And we can feel the life-giving energy of the sun. So there are 12 mantras of the sun, which I'm going to be chanting. So they salute the sun, different versions of the sun. So the first version of the sun is as the universal friend, Mitraha. So Om Mitraya Namaha. The second name is Ravihi. So Om Ravaye Namaha. Salutations to the one who is glorified. Then Suryaha, which is a very famous name of the sun. Surya Namaskara also has this name of the sun. So Suryaha, Om Suryaya Namaha. So one who inspires us into action, the one who brings each day into being. And then Bhanuhu, salutations to the one who shines with his own light. Om Bhanave Namaha. Then Khagaha, salutations to the one who moves quickly in the sky. Om Khagaya Namaha. Then Pusha, Om Pushne Namaha, salutations to the giver of strength and nourishment. Om Hiranya Garbhaya Namaha. So Hiranya Garbhaha is the name of the sun. Salutations to the one who has emerged from the golden womb. Then Marichihi, Om Marichaye Namaha, salutations to the one who scorches all negative tendencies. Adityaha, salutations to the son of Aditi. So Om Adityaya Namaha. And then Savita, Savitri Devata. So Om Savitre Namaha, the one who gives birth to all beings in the world. Then Om Arkaya Namaha. So Arkaha, the one who is worshipped. And Bhaskaraha, Om Bhaskaraya Namaha, the one who enlightens. So each of these mantras starts with the Pranava mantra, which is a very, very revered mantra. It is a mantra by itself. In the Upanishads, there is a line that says Om iti Brahma. So basically, Om represents the supreme consciousness itself. And then each mantra ends with the word Namaha. So it makes it very meditative when we practice the asanas. And each time you say Namaha, it becomes almost like a prayer, like each posture flowing from one prayer to the next. It's almost like that. And then at the end of the sequence, I will be chanting this Om Shri Savitra Surya Narayanaya Namaha. And then the Phala Shruti, the benefits of Surya Namaskara, basically, Adityasya Namaskaram, Ye Kurvanti Dine Dine, Janmantara Sahasreshu, Daridryam Nopajayate. So I'll be chanting this at the end. So these are the 12 names that I just went over. And then there are also bija mantras, which are basically seed mantras. So bija basically means seed. So it is Om, Hram, Hreem, Hroom, Hraim, Hraum, Hraha. So basically these are the bija mantras. So in one side leading with the right, this will come twice over because there are 6 bija mantras and one side has 12 postures. So there will this set of bija mantras will be repeated twice. And then at one point, I will instruct you that I am going to be chanting both the bija mantra as well as the Surya Namaskara mantra. So at that time, I will be chanting Om Hram, Om Mitraya Namaha. So for one posture, this will be the mantra. Then we will go on to Om Hreem. So you can always follow Kavya. She will be demonstrating and you can follow her. So that's basically the sequence that we are going to be practicing. And these are the Samskrita names of the postures which I will be articulating when Kavya demonstrates the first round. So the first round, she will be demonstrating a full round, leading with the right and leading with the left. So leading with the right, I will be chanting the Bija mantras, and leading with the left, I'll be chanting the Surya Namaskara mantras. So I'll just take a moment to invite Kavya before the demonstration. If there's anything you want to share, Kavya.
So we'll be also taking rest. So in between also, if you feel that it is getting tiring or it is getting longer, because in the Bija mantra combined with the Surya, the name of the Surya mantra, if it gets longer for you or tiring for you, then please feel free to take rest in between.
Yes. So I'll just stop sharing my screen so that you can watch Kavya as she demonstrates. So whenever you're ready, Kavya. So join your palms. So for leading with the right, I'll be chanting the Bija mantras. Om Ram Om Hri Om Hrum Om Hraim Om Hraum Om Hraha Om Hram Om Hrim Om Hrum Om Hraim Om Hraum Om Hraha Om Mitraya Namaha Om Ravaye Namaha Om Suryaya Namaha Om Bhanave Namaha Om खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः. So this was one round. Leading with the right and leading with the left completes one round. So now we are going to do 4 rounds continuously. For the first 2 rounds, I'm going to be chanting the Bija mantras. For the last 2 rounds, I'm going to be chanting the Surya Namaskara mantras. As Kavya said, at any time if you need to rest, please feel free to do so. Okay, let's get ready. Come to the top of your mat. Let's join the palms. Let's take a moment to honor the life-giving energy of the sun. Without the sun, there would be no life on the earth, on earth. Let's begin. Om Ram. Om Hri. Om Hrum. Om Hraim. Om Hraum. Om Hraha. Om Hra. Om Hri. Om Hrum. Om Hraim. Om Hraum. Om Hraha. Om Hra. Om Hri. Om Hrum. Om Hraim. Om Hraum. Om Hraha. Om Hra. Om Hri. Om Hrum. Om Hraim. Om Hraum. Om Hraha. Om Hra. Om Hri. Om Hrum. Om Hraim. Om Hraum. Om Hraha. Om Hra. Om Hri. Om Hrum. Om ह्रैं ओ ह्रः ओ ह्रां ओ ह्रीं ओ ह्रूं ओ ह्रैं ओ ह्रौं ओ ह्रः ओ ह्रां ओ ह्रीं ओ ह्रूं ओ ह्रैं ओ ह्रौं ओ ह्रः ओ मित्राय नमः ओ रवये नमः ओ सूर्याय नमः ओ भानवे नमः ओ खगाय नमः ओ पूष्णे नमः ओ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ओ मरीचये नमः ओ आदित्याय नमः ओ सवित्रे नमः ओ अर्काय नमः ओ भास्कराय नमः ओ मित्राय नमः ओ रवये नमः ओ सूर्याय नमः ओ भानवे नमः ओ खगाय नमः ओ पूष्णे नमः ओ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ओ मरीचये नमः ओ आदित्याय नमः ओ सवित्रे नमः ओ अर्काय नमः ओ भास्कराय नमः लास्ट राउंड ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः. Let's stay here for a few moments. ॐ आदित्यस्य नमस्कारं ये कुर्वन्ति दिने दिने जन्मान्तरसहस्रेषु दारिद्र्यं नोपजायते। ॐ श्री सवित्र सूर्य नारायणाय नमः. Let's take a rest for a few minutes. Come into a comfortable resting position. Continue to keep a prayer in your heart as you rest for the next few minutes. Continue to rest. After this period of rest, we will practice 4 more rounds. And in those 4 rounds, I will chant the Bija mantra and the Surya Namaskara mantra for each posture. We will take a rest between the 4 rounds. So after 2 rounds, we will take a rest and then we will practice 2 more rounds. Take your time to come back to a standing position. Take your time. So after the second round, I will cue you to take a standing rest. Join your palms. Om Hram. Om Netraya Namaha. Om Hri. Om Ravaye Namaha. Om Ro. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Hraim. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Hraum. Om Khagaya Namaha. Om Hraha. Om Ushne Namaha. Om Hra. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Hri. Om Marichaye Namaha. Om Pru. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Hraim. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Hraum. Om Arkaya Namaha. Om Hraha. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Om Hra. Om Mitraya Namaha. Om Hri. Om Ravaye Namaha. Om Ru. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Hraim. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Hraum. Om Khagaya Namaha. Om Hraha. Om Ushne Namaha. Om Hra. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Hri. Om Marichaye Namaha. Om Pru. ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ ह्राईं ॐ सावित्रे नमः। ॐ ह्रौं ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ ह्रः ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ ह्रां ॐ नेत्राय नमः। ॐ ह्रीं ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ ह्रूं ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ ह्रैं ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ ह्रौं ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ ह्रः ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ ह्रां ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ ह्रीं ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ ह्रूं ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ ह्रैं ॐ सावित्रे नमः। ॐ ह्रौं ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ ह्रः ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ ह्रां ॐ नेत्राय नमः। ॐ ह्रीं ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ ह्रूं ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ ह्रैं ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ ह्रौं ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ ह्रः ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ ह्रां ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ ह्रीं ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ ह्रूं ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ ह्रैं ॐ सावित्रे नमः। ॐ ह्रौं ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ ह्रः ॐ भास्कराय नमः। Let's take a few moments of rest here. You can just come to a stand at ease position if you wish to. Otherwise, you can continue to stay where you are. Whatever position that you want to come into to rest while standing. We practice 2 more rounds. Let's take a few more moments of rest. For the last 2 rounds, I will be chanting the Bija mantra and the Surya Namaskara mantra the same way that I did for the last 2 rounds. Join your palms and let's begin. ॐ ह्रां ॐ मेत्राय नमः। ॐ ह्रीं ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ ह्रूं ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ ह्रैं ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ ह्रौं ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ ह्रः ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ ह्रां ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ ह्रीं ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ ह्रूं ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ ह्रैं ॐ सावित्रे नमः। ॐ ह्रौं ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ ह्रः ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ ह्रां ॐ मेत्राय नमः। ॐ ह्रीं ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ ह्रूं ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ ह्रैं ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ ह्रौं ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ ह्रः ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ ह्रां ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ ह्रीं ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ ह्रूं ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ ह्रैं ॐ सावित्रे नमः। ॐ ह्रौं ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ ह्रः ॐ भास्कराय नमः। लास्ट राउंड। ॐ ह्रां ॐ नेत्राय नमः। ॐ ह्रीं ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ ह्रूं ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ ह्रैं ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ ह्रौं ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ ह्रः ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ ह्रां ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ ह्रीं ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ ह्रूं ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ ह्रैं ॐ सावित्रे नमः। ॐ ह्रौं ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ ह्रः ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ ह्रां ॐ नेत्राय नमः। ॐ ह्रीं ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ ह्रूं ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ ह्रैं ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ ह्रौं ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ ह्रः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ ह्रां ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ ह्रीं ॐ मरीचये नमः ॐ ह्रूं ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ ह्रैं ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ ह्रौं ॐ अर्काय नमः ॐ ह्रः ॐ भास्कराय नमः Stay here. आदित्यस्य नमस्कारं ये कुर्वन्ति दिने दिने जन्मान्तरसहस्रेषु दारिद्र्यं नोपजायते ॐ श्री सवित्रसूर्यनारायणाय नमः. Slowly come to a resting position for a few moments, and then we'll conclude the session. One more minute. Taking your time. Slowly come back to a seated position. If you need to take a few more moments to turn over to one side and stay there, you can do that. So thank you to those of you who joined the practice for today.